everybody you know is getting a roof. And so there's going to be a lot of hard and fast roof changes coming in the insurance industry, and it's changing in real time. So one of the big ones that's obvious is percentage deductibles. If you're in Texas, you used to have a 1%, now you have a 2%. No surprise, Texas has hail, wildfire, tornadoes, hurricanes, etc. There's usually action going on in Texas, but we've even seen 1% now in Missouri. We haven't had percentage deductibles since like 2013 or 14 from what I recollect, but that's happening. And so that percentage, whether it's 1 or 2%, that's the percent of your replacement cost, so coverage A. So it can be pretty steep if you're not looking at those changes. Now, some carriers may grandfather you in if you stay there, but a lot of them are mandating changes. Some, if they're not doing 1% or 2%, they're doing a minimal of 5,000. So you want to be on the lookout for that. They do have to let you know at renewal if anything's changing. The roof rules used to be 15 years or newer on a roof, full replacement cost. Anything older than that's actual cash value. They've changed that to 10 years now. So 10 years or newer, full replacement cost. Anything after that, depreciated value, meaning they're going to figure out what the roof cost when you put it on, and they're going to have a mathematical factor on depreciating it, and you're going to get what's left over. That's called actual cash value. So that's depreciated basis versus replacement cost, which means you just pay your deductible, they're going to pay the rest. A lot of carriers also limiting roof size now to 4,000 square feet. Now that may sound like a lot, but we've seen 2,000 square foot homes with a steep A-frame meet that. So a lot of carriers will not write roofs now above 4,000 square feet. Doesn't mean there aren't carriers doing it, but that's changing the game a lot. That's their way of eliminating a lot of roofs and a lot of risks. And so that's another thing why 30-year roofs doesn't always make sense. So if you got hail this year, you might want to replace it with a 30-year architectural shingle. We get it. The roofer makes more money on it. He tells you it's more durable. When we're seeing softball and golf ball size hail, 30-year roof doesn't hold up any better than a 10 or 15. However, insurance carriers are going to only offer replacement cost 10 years or newer. So you're getting depreciated value after that anyway, so I don't know if the investment makes sense. But those are the new roof things coming around in the United States. To know more about that, click on e3insurance.com.